Very good afternoon, friends. This is Commander Sudhir Kumar, and today I am going to talk about that what is the need of data collection in India. Data collection and depository of data pertaining to every sphere of life is very essential in any progressive country. It is authentic data pertaining to every department of the government so that all the schemes, welfare schemes, the further future projects, everything could be channelized based on authentic data. Now I am going to touch upon few things that where data is very important. Let's first of all start from the population itself. NRC, National Register of Citizens, is very much essential now that we are having data of entire population, a completely authentic data where their residential addresses, their details of Aadhaar card, from where ration cards have been issued, everything comes up on digital platform. It is about their income, the family members, the villages, or whatever. If they are having any agriculture background, or they are the small hawkers, or the small businesses, everything is very distinctly clear in this data. Number two data after this NRC then is of very immense value, that is of Manrega. The government is putting from last 10 to 12 years a lot of money towards Manrega. But what I feel that in Manrega, the data about that how much work has been done, let me bring it out that if we calculate the money which has been allocated in Manrega in last 10 years, there could have been huge amount of work in villages, whether it was reviving ponds, whether it was planting trees or making village roads and or constructing toilets or making any other progress or development in a village. It could have been huge. But what I find that the money is going in the hand, but still the infrastructure has not come up to that level. Geotagging is not a solution to it. We have to make sure that we have got authentic data of Manrega, that how much money has been allocated, who all people have been benefited by this, and they should be connected with not only with Aadhaar but actual towards the job that in that particular village in last 10 to 12 years since this Manrega money has been given, and this data is going to be of immense value. So that was my second point where data is very important. Then comes to the entire scientific data in all labs, what all research are going on, how much money in different projects have been given, how many PhDs and PhD of what level, with different research schemes, research scholars, publications of what value, that everything, and towards that how much aid has been given to the universities and how it has been used. So this scientific data has to be collected about the education and the research projects. And the fourth is then we have to collect this data about that how much plastic waste, like about the biodiversity or the deforestation, how much deforestation has taken place, and what is the impact on climate change. Once we collect this data pertaining to each and every department, then nowadays we can make use of AI, artificial intelligence tools, machine learning, deep learning, and the quantum computing. With that use, now post-pandemic, post-COVID-19, that this huge data could be used, that where we must progress in future so that unemployed people could be directed with the use of AI, that where the future work, especially to restore climate change, the jobs could be created and as per that authentic data, these youths could be skilled and then directed into these slots. With that, once again, I summarize that data collection of each aspects of life, a particular department pertaining to every sphere, is an essential part, and we must, as an Indian government or government of India, must have that depository of data, and this data analytics is going to be of immense value, especially when we use artificial intelligence, machine learning and quantum computing in future. Thank you very much.